Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Trello's card timeline for project tracking, a feature that can revolutionize your workflow. First up, you'll need to open your Trello board and create a card. Assign it to a list that represents a phase in your project. This is important because Trello's card timeline relies on cards to visualize project progression. Now that we've done that, it's time to add a start and due date to your card. You can do this by clicking on the card, then choosing Dates from the right sidebar menu. The reason we do this is to help Trello understand the timeline of your project. Next up, we'll switch to Timeline View. Look for the Timeline button at the top right of your Trello board and click on it. This helps us because it transforms your board into a timeline, allowing you to see your entire project at a glance. Once in the timeline view, you'll see your card represented as a horizontal bar, spanning from the start date to the due date. The beauty of this is that it gives you a visual representation of your project timeline. Now, if you need to adjust the timeline of a task, simply click and drag the ends of the card's bar in the timeline view. This allows for flexibility and adaptability in your project management, catering for those inevitable shifts and changes. To wrap things up, Trello's card timeline is an invaluable tool for keeping your projects on track and visualizing your workflow. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, project management is all about staying flexible and adaptive. Happy tracking!